Okay, this is how to make fried rice. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, get that heated up. A little bit more. Get the oil nice and hot. Got garlic mince, onions diced, chicken marinade. So first we're going to start getting the garlic in first. Keep that nice and brown. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more oil. Okay, then we're throwing the chicken in there, marinated if you like, or you can use straight. Toss the chicken around, get it cooked evenly. Oops. Just pretend you guys didn't see that. Once the chicken's about halfway cooked, then we're going to toss in the diced onions. Keep stirring around. Chicken's almost about done. Doesn't take too long. Once got it on high heat, we're about 6. Make sure you got your soy sauce ready. And the secret of getting good fried rice is oyster sauce. You gotta have this to get that really good flavor to the fried rice. Alright, chicken's done. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of mixed vegetables, just about a cupful. And what I'm gonna do to this, just to kind of show you here, after your meat onions, all that stuff is mixed. You're going to set it aside in a strainer. Actually, I'm going to put that in the sink. Alright. No oil. We're going to crack about... We're going to crack about 4 eggs. And kind of mix it around. You're going to kind of do like your scrambled eggs until it's about halfway cooked. Now I've got my rice here, which actually I just freshly cooked it, but I put it in the refrigerator for a little bit to cool down the heat. So now we're going to add all the rice in there. And the egg is still actually like halfway cooked from scrambled. Then I'm taking the soy sauce, just go a couple rounds, go towards the center, and go on the outside again, towards the center. I'm going to stir that around, get the egg on the bottom, start mixing the rice and the egg together. At this point, give a couple little turns. Just throw a little bit more soy sauce in there. Do one little, nice little circle. Now, oyster sauce, you just want to do a good like 3 tablespoons. You don't want to do a whole bunch, or it gets too salty, but just about that much. Next, we're going to mix all this stuff up. Sit for a second, let the egg kind of get cooked evenly all around the rice. Okay, so once the soy sauce has kind of covered all the rice, you take your meat and all the things that you mixed up earlier, just dump it right in. And just kind of mix it all around. Throw in some few tomatoes, green onions. Turn off your stove. And that's it. That's Jake's fried rice.